put your hands on me. Hey. Ooh. Ooh. You got that bomb, baby. She was the girl next door. That's my fine-ass neighbor. Told her if she wants some sugar, baby, don't be a stranger. And she said, when I need something sweet, I'll be coming over to you. That girl was knocking in the middle of the night, wearing nothing but a robe that she took off inside. And she said, boy, I'm getting cold, here's what I need you to do. Baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me.
Hey, alright, so been such a long time since I've been lucky. Don't have to be shy, say how bad you want me. Come and touch me tenderly. So come and give me that body heat. I want your body heat on me. I can barely sleep. I'm trying to turn up the degrees with you all over me.
So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me. Oh, the night's still young. Come and break my heart.
Darling, you are the only one I need.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid.
Just as long as you kiss me before you leave.
So baby, put your hands on me. Put your hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me. Both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me.
This dance is called Hands on Me. Let me facing the right wall. First, anytime we start with the right foot step forward, and left foot do the cross side, and then left behind, right foot do the behind side. Okay, the section is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second 8 count, we're gonna turn to your left corner, start with the right foot for kick, left foot back, and then right foot to the side, and then similar to your right corner, left foot for kick, back, together. Okay, this section was count. So right foot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, first you start with the right foot, step forward and hold, and then left foot do the PV quarter chain right, so do the step, turn, and then left foot cross and hold, and then right foot do the side behind. Okay, the section was done, so after your second section, back together, we start with the right foot. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. And then the very last 8 count first, you start with the right foot to the side, and then draw your left foot, and then left foot to the right back, recover, and then move left foot to the side, sway and hold, and then you sway right, left. Okay, the section was count, so after your side, behind, start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put everything together. Let's count right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.